Hi, in this video we are presenting an AGI demo running on FastSense Robotics AI platform, which is a powerful onboard computer bringing scalable AGI capabilities to mobile robotics. It features two Myriad X chips from Intel and three Coral devices from Google, totaling in 5 independent AGI devices in a compact form factor with Intel CPU in the heart of the system. FastSense X is an ideal solution for processing data from multiple sources in parallel with different AI algorithms. In this demo, you can see two RealSense cameras connected to our computer, and each video stream is processed by three different neural networks: object detection, semantic segmentation, and person re-identification to tell humans between one another. All these networks are running in parallel on 5 different AGI devices in real time. On the screen you can see detections and segmentations running in parallel on 2 video streams. Also, human re-identification is running, so if a person is noticed on the first camera and labeled person 0, it will also appear as person 0 on a second camera. Detection net is based on SSD mobile net architecture and runs on first Coral device. Inference time is only 8 milliseconds, so one Coral device can process 230 FPS streams in real time. Should a person be detected by FirstNet, it is cropped from the frame and passed to the person re-identification net. This net runs in parallel thread on Myriad X device. It has OSNet architecture and inference time is 40 milliseconds. There are 2 threads, each processing its own video stream on its own Myriad X device. Also, there are 2 semantic segmentation deep lab nets running in parallel on 2 Coral devices. We are releasing this demo to the open source community. Please find it documented on our GitHub page. To ease inference of neural nets in different frameworks, we also provide simple package that abstracts hardware details from the user. Please feel free to contact me and our team should you have any questions. Thank you.